Now, Anderson entered the state finals unbeaten. He was a top seed, but he was suffering from leg cramps early in the match. In fact, he dropped the first set to Grant Miller. It was the first set he had dropped all season long, but he battled back. Anderson ingested as much mustard and Gatorade as he could stomach to help offset the cramping. That his trainer worked on stretching him out, and then Anderson fought back to win the second set and then force a winner-take-all third set in the finals, where he persevered to claim the Division I singles championship.
What's it like to be a state champion?
Felt like surreal, I think, for the first few days. And yeah, I mean, it's a lifelong dream come true for sure.
Here's what's interesting about Anderson. He reached the state championship match when he was a sophomore in the number 2 singles, and then as a junior in the number 1 singles, but he lost both times. So with his victory, he is now the first boys tennis player in Rochester history to finish as an individual state champion.